Week we made our boomerangs. We cut them out. You added either one animal in the center, or some of you may have had two animals, one on the left, one on the right. We are trying to stick with Australian animals. Today we're going to start our dot painting, which means we're going to have paint and paint with Q-tips. So what you want to do is pick the color of your choice. Q-tip goes in the color and it's not bouncing around to any other color. The red stays with red, yellow stays with yellow. If we need to get more Q-tips out so you can share the others at your table, that is perfectly fine. Just don't bounce them around and mix things up. Then you're going to start with your animal. So on your animal, choose whichever color you want, and we bounce straight up and down, making little dots. You want to keep them very close together on your animal so it's very clear to see what kind of animal it is. If your dots are too far apart, it might be confusing. So my turtle now has feet. He's got a green ring around his body. He has a tail and a head. Very easy to see. Then I can switch it up and add some pattern to his shell, so it can get a little more interesting. And we're not working with any particular color group. Choose any color you want to make your pattern. My turtle's finished. He has a pattern with green and blue alternating back and forth. The next thing we want to do is add some pattern to the outside, and this will create visual rhythm in your art. The color will be repeating over and over. Whatever you have on the left, you want to repeat on the right side, the way it matches. It'll have symmetry. So you choose whichever color you want to start with. I'm going to work in a circle. So got one dot, add another color. For your patterns on the outside that aren't on your animal, you want to make sure your dots are not touching. They'll tend to look a little bit nicer if they're spaced out farther apart. Alright, so far my pattern, it's white, red, black. So the next color I need is white. When you get to the outside edge, it's okay to kind of let your pattern fall off the page. Don't try to squish it in a small area. It won't make it look very nice. Next color I need is red. And it's okay to have a little bit of blank space between your pattern and your animal. Little bit of blank space, not a lot. And then you'll repeat this same pattern on the other side. So white, red, black. Make it look as close to the first one as you can. If it's not exactly perfect, it's fine.